You need to have some level of resonance between two individuals. Problems are because one is worshipping the rising sun, another is worshipping the setting sun. Difference starts, they start the war, fight, or stupid things. But they don't realize they're worshipping the same sun. There is nothing wrong with religions. There is nothing wrong with belief system. You may be Muslim, you may be Hindu. It's okay. These are all cultural things. If you dive deeper into all these things, the essence, if you translate Quran in Sanskrit, and if you translate all the Vedas in Gita in Farsi or Urdu, they are all same. We do not want to create Hindu terrorists, neither Muslim terrorists or Christian terrorists. We want to have good, loving human beings, noble human beings who can care for each other. And only then there will be peace. If you are a Hindu, follow Hinduism, the principles. It's a lifestyle. Lifestyle so that we can become more understanding with each other in the society, in the community. You need to have some level of resonance between two individuals. Problems are because one is worshipping the rising sun, another is worshipping the setting sun. Difference starts, they start the war, fight, or stupid things. But they don't realize they're worshipping the same sun. The rising or setting really doesn't matter. Why should we take such differences to our heart and keep fighting unnecessarily? They believe in God, I believe in God. Africans eat bread, we eat bread in India. Europeans also eat bread. They call this bread with different names. Body's hunger is satisfied by this food. Everyone's need is the same. Everyone's need of spiritual succor or spiritual nourishment is also same. So we should become more accepting of each other. Don't allow this orthodoxy, dogmatic beliefs of various religions to touch you. There is reality, of course, that there are terrorists in any country. They may follow whatever religion, but they are there. There are also non-believers who don't believe in any God. No Allah, no Khuda, no God, no Ishwar. But they are also terrorists. Certain people have high percentage of terrorists. Certain people have not so much. But should we condemn those people? Not the religion, but condemn the individuals. Unfortunately, certain religious leaders, they are flaring it up, unfortunately. That is also the truth. Should we remain indifferent or support any of this? Best to remain indifferent, support neither.